Rachel with Adventures and Pop-Ups. Blake is behind the camera, and guess what? Today we are showing you our new to us camper. If you've been following our channel and all, we used to have a camper. It was a high wall. It was lovely. Fleetwood Arcadia 2008. That was smashed by a tree. It was total salvaged. Goodbye. If you want to see the log cabin on wheels, check out other videos. This is even bigger, better, newer. I'm so blessed. I can't even tell you. This is awesome. So this is a Forest River Flagstaff hw29sc. Put it on the screen.
2013.
A 2013. It has lots of tricks and mods that I can't wait to show you. So let's get going. Here's obviously the front. We've got the front doors almost the same as our Fleetwood. This is a high wall, so you have a lot more height. You have a lot more space to work with. These, the previous owners, maybe 2 owners ago, put LEDs in all the lights, almost all the lights. So that is a nice upgrade that we didn't have to do. If you're interested in that though, I will put information in the description, so there you go. This, I noticed, has a lot more vinyl than canvas. Our other one had a lot more canvas. And these are pop-up gizmos. If you don't know about pop-up gizmos, we've used Reflectix for years. Reflectix is more affordable, which is great. If you want the nicer tricked out thing, this actually, we don't have it staked down right now, but we just hook it in. It keeps the sun out, it keeps weather, it just helps with a lot of things. So this is nicer. It stays in there. So when we fold the camper down, it's secured in there with some strong Velcro. This right here is a 4-bike bike rack. I'm very excited to figure out how to use it because we do have 4 kids. So not everybody can bring a bike like that, but
that's a blessing.
That is awesome. Double propane tank, single battery, electric lift. One thing that I actually liked better about our Fleetwood, this has the separate bed rails, so you actually have to take them out. Our Fleetwood Arcadia, they dropped right down out of the plywood, so I like that better, but this is great. Coming around to the backside, kind of boring, but we do have a slide. We've got, I think this is an antenna or something like that. We've got
cable.
This is the air conditioner plug. The air conditioner is on the exterior, and you plug it in before you raise the roof, which we're out in a barn right now. We don't have electricity, so here's the actual electric 30 amp. Exhaust, outdoor shower. This is city water. Keep them coming. We actually have multiple pass-throughs. That passes through in the dinette. This passes through to the dinette. So I love that. This slide is easier to open than our Arcadia as well. It just feels smoother. Maybe because it's newer. Exhaust. More LEDs.
LEDs. We love the LEDs.
Oh, and if you can tell in the video, I know we didn't put the feet down. We were bad, don't do that. Here's another mod that someone did, and this is really cool. This hooks into the water, and so if you would need to fill the dog water or any other quick little fill, just boom. And then here's another pass-through. This one...
Open it up.
Yeah, let's open it up. This one has a counter for here.
Pull it out, set it up. Love the counter.
Oops,
Now we need a grill. Yep.
There it is.
There it is.
Little bitty counter. I do wish it was
Coffee
a little bigger,
spot.
but it fits great.
Oh, there's room for a grill too.
Yeah, so there's room for a grill. There's room for a grill in here. Here's the kicker. The previous owners took out the oven and stove, which we prefer to cook outside anyway, so that's not that big a deal, and I'll show you why in a minute. So we do need something to cook with. If you would like to recommend something,
Yep.
I think Blake's thinking about a Blackstone. I'm leaning more towards an outdoor grill. So this is your water tank. So when you get there, fill it up. If you don't have a water.
Propane line.
Yeah, this is a direct propane line for whatever we buy. Outdoor speaker, and I believe this is a Wi-Fi extender. I don't know how to use it. That's what I saw on the internet. It might be a TV radio antenna, something like that. We're not quite sure. It's got a sturdy handle like a big RV, so that's kind of cool. Double step.
Double step.
How can I forget? It's a double axle. Have you ever seen a pop-up camper with a double axle? This is one of the biggest pop-up campers ever made. It only has like one cousin that's a little bit bigger in the
It's got a
same line.
big brother.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
So here we are inside, and we've got a king up front, a queen in the back. This is like a jackknife sofa. Let's do this real quick. It has
Boom.
a little foot. This is where our youngest will sleep. And it does open up. It's a bench inside. So storage. Electrical. Furnace. I'll make another video to show you like where we put everything separate, because I'm still deciding where I want everything to go, what fits where. So I'll answer those questions and show y'all later. So moving over, this actually is a spot for a TV, which is why we've got antenna hookups. We don't really camp with the TV. Maybe someday we might try one, but right here is where there used to be a stove and oven. They took it out because they never cooked inside. We don't cook inside much unless it's pouring out. Double fridge. This does also have an inverter. So if we're running off a battery, we can plug this into a special inverter plug that works with our battery. So second fridge, it's big. It more than doubles our fridge space in here. This is something that was actually kind of on our wish list, that we were like, man, I really wish our dinette was a U shape, because we have 6 people in our family and we just crammed 3 butts on each side, but now we actually have the third side. And I do actually prefer this table style better as well. So that's cool. Love the slide out. Here's another access point that it lifts. It opens here, it opens here, it lifts here. So there's actually a ton of storage. Moving along in the kitchen, we have a double wall sink. One difference, we actually do have to take this off when we travel. We put it in the sink. This covers the whole sink and doubles as a cutting board, so that's cool. Ta-da! Drawers, and more. There is a lot of storage in this, guys. If you have a small pop-up camper and you're frustrated about storage, you don't have to go to the dark side and get a big camper. You can find a pop-up camper that has a lot of storage. This is pretty impressive.
And good walk space.
And good walking space with the slide out. And hard wall bathroom.
Woo, we love that.
Love the hard wall bathroom, guys. It basically works exactly as our other one. I'm sorry we can't turn the lights on right now. We'll drop in some photos of when it did have lights on. We actually have this popped up because we were just scrubbing it all out, cleaning it all down, and here you have it. And actually, our fridge we left it open so it could get nice and dry. Check this out. We have a microwave. Don't know how much we're going to use the microwave, but we have a microwave. That actually is going to come in handy, I think, especially with not having all the options of a stove. More storage. Thanks. We got some microwave popcorn from the previous owner. That was cute, and then we camped in it and forgot to use it. So I was thinking we better use it in the house, though, because mice might find it. This is a 3-way fridge. If you don't know what that means, it works on electric, propane, or battery. If you don't already know, propane is the coldest, and electric is second best. Battery is not as cold. It's kind of like having a glorified cooler. Thanks for checking out our new camper. I am so excited. We actually did camp in this on the way home. It was almost a 5-hour drive. So we drove, picked it up, checked it out, loved it, bought it. We will make another video about like how to buy a camper, what to look for, what questions to ask. And then so we stopped about halfway home, camped in it for the weekend, and got to get our feet wet, figure out all the nuances of this different camper, even though most pop-up campers are similar. So, had a great time. We will do a campground review about that, which was Mark Twain State Park in Missouri. All right, thank you for watching. Thanks for hanging in there. If you haven't already subscribed, now's a great time. Hit the like button, leave us a comment, ask us a question. What mods would you do? A lot of our friends are like, I can't wait to see what you're gonna modernize it and make over. And we're like, okay, yeah, maybe, I don't know. Let us know your suggestions, your ideas. What did you do? We love to hear from our listeners. Thank you so much for watching, and happy camping.
Happy camping.